Test, test, test. All right. Good morning, everybody. Today is the 7th of August, 2025. Market is up again. There was a flood of, again, news about tariffs, statements, nothing new. Market gain another 40 points. It was a little bit higher earlier, and I'm planning to adjust at the end yesterday. For those that are not alert subscribers, we end up putting a different position, not a double diagonal, double calendar, but we put a calendarized butterfly. This morning I'm planning to adjust at the open should the market open around this level, and adjust the position, because as we mentioned yesterday, with the market running up, a volatility drop, another another day of dropping in volatility, but the position is still adjustable. The entry position was as a unit was had a margin of 500, but in reality was just costing $500. So meaning that the maximum you can lose, everything goes wrong, it's $500, even though you required 1,000 as a margin. That happened when you have butterfly transform into calendarize in a way. So let me get into what the market is doing roughly. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, was higher earlier. These are the futures. Come off a little bit, retracing now, and again, some pictures yesterday and the day before. Volatility, and these are the futures, and volatility is dropping. So putting this into perspective to see our position. This morning I'm monitoring an adjustment. I have two adjustments, and these adjustments will be basically, and sorry, I covered this because there are subscribers that are following this in the alerts, so it won't be fair to them if I just disclose their position and discuss in details to the known members. And that is not just a promotion, but it also sort of protecting the effort and investment the subscribers made, right? So I will cover this with these two banners. And this morning, basically, the new position that I'm gonna deploy for this, it was is making most of the loss. Basically, the original position we took yesterday, real position, will be like this, losing $100. Now, forget to saying this again and again, but the graph at the moment are not really indicative of what you may expect, because when the market moves more than 10 points, this software don't really work that well, any of this software from the brokers, because the modeling is taken at the close, but the market is still open, so that's a mess. So anyway, you get the idea. So this morning we put this structure over the previous one. Should the market go any higher, we have standing to put an even higher one. Obviously, this one could have been done with the market when I put this simulated position on. If you add an interactive broker's account that trades in extended trading hours, but since the alerts and most of the other brokers, I mean all the other brokers trades on regular trading hours, we had to wait for the open. That's a big disadvantage trading options, especially since the granularity and the fact that they trade almost they have an expiry every day. So I'm not recommending to move to any brokers in particular, but I've seen this many times. I don't gain anything by promoting a broker or another. They're all the same to me. But one seems to offer better deal, and probably that is interactive brokers. So going back to what we're going to do, these adjustments will obviously, if we put it at the open, it depends where the market is going to be open. It's going to cost us more, but there's plenty of time to adjust it. And bear in mind my position, the one I'm planning to put, more or less center where the market is going to open, is not in the same expiry as the other one, the one we put yesterday. So it's probably, it is a day, it's expiring today. So put it this way, we have 2 shots to do this, right? But going back to the what this combined position will do, and we'll adjust it. It probably the graph won't change much, but it's going to be a loss to recover. But as you see, even at 40 up, we have plenty of theta. We probably flat to slightly negative delta, and it's fine. It's fine. We need to adjust this position because, as we mentioned again, market move like $50 from where we put it yesterday. That's what it is nowadays. But having said that, it can go lower, it can go higher. The important thing is that you understand when to put it on, why, and what you want to achieve, right? And not taking direction. This is the key. Anyway, I will adjourn. I will keep it. I will keep it. I will keep it live until the open, at least. And as I said, I will discuss the adjustment in particular with the members in Slack, in all the channels to adjust the current position. As I said, this is for educational purposes only, obviously, and please read the disclaimer. Option trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. I am not a broker dealer, and this is for educational purposes only.